Hi there, I'm Tommy Baggins, and check this out. See this little guy? Oh, come on, little guy. Cute little thing, isn't it? Found this in my basement recently, and apparently, as you can see, it's got a little piece of electronics of some kind in it. Takes a battery. I recently put a fresh battery in there, and to my utter amazement, it still works. As far as I can tell, it's got a little light sensor in there somewhere. Maybe the eyes, I don't know. You know, whenever it gets a shadow, it does its thing. Come on. I just thought it was cool. And as I'm trying to do a YouTube video every day in November, and I thought this would be a good time to show this to you. And yes, I missed yesterday, so I'm going to make up for that by doing 2 videos today. Nobody's perfect. So, yeah. Whee! So, anyway, I have no idea what this thing is supposed to be. Kind of looks like a cheap ewok knockoff. Given the thing was in all likelihood from the early 80s, that's entirely possible. But, like I was saying, no idea what it is. Absolutely no idea whatsoever where it came from. I even took a photograph of it and did an image search, came up with nothing. So you know what? Anyone watching this, if you have any idea what on God's green earth this little critter is supposed to be, let me know. You know, comment section right down there. Yeah. Had to come up with some fun nickname for the comment section. I don't know, maybe call it the boot section or something. I don't know. The bootstrap section. Because it's down at the bottom. I don't know. Maybe the anchor section. The anchor's the bottom of a ship. This comment section is the bottom of a YouTube page. Never mind. Alright. Anyway. Great little toy. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you got a kick out of this. Moving on. Doodles.